Hi there, students. Sissy. A sissy, a countable noun. I guess you could use it as an adjective, but I think primarily as a noun. Okay, a sissy, if you call somebody a sissy, you're saying they're not brave, they're cowardly, they're timid. Come on, don't be such a sissy. Jump into the water, it's not that cold. Last one to jump into the river's a sissy. Yeah, we were all going swimming. So it's somebody who's regarded as timid or cowardly. I think if you call somebody a sissy, you're being rude. Now, also, you can use this word sissy. It talks about a boy or a man who is regarded as effeminate. Yeah, people think that he's weak, yeah, and only interested in activities that girls like. Yeah, I'm sorry to be so sexist, but this is the word or the way it's used. Yeah, can you jump over the gap, you great big sissy? Yeah, don't be such a sissy. He's just such a sissy. Yeah, he's just a great girl's blouse. Okay, sissy. I think you could probably also use sissy as a diminutive of sister, but I think most commonly sis. And that brings me to the idea, the question of Sissy Spacek. Well, Sissy is also the diminutive of Cecilia. So clearly Sissy Spacek is not a sissy. Yeah, okay, it's short for Cecilia. Okay, so a sissy, a person regarded as effeminate and cowardly. Yeah, a weakling, just so namby-pamby. Yeah, this sissy government is only enacts legislation that is inoffensive and nobody could object to. Yeah, they're just sucking up to the electorate. Yeah, he's just such a crybaby. He's a namby-pamby sissy. Yeah, come on, don't be such a sissy. Don't be such a great big sissy. Yeah, when he was given the injection and then he started to cry. Come on, don't be such a sissy. This is very disparaging. Yeah, a timid, weak, cowardly person. Yeah, yeah. When boys play macho games, very often they do things because they don't want to be considered a sissy by their friends. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I didn't walk away from the fight because I didn't want to be considered a sissy. Yeah, so people describe a boy as a sissy. They disapprove of him because he doesn't like rough things. He doesn't like things that might be dangerous. He's afraid, and this comes from the conception in society that boys have to be big and strong and brave and do brave things. I don't really see why. A sissy, a wimp. Come on, don't be such a wimp. Don't wimp out, you sissy. Don't be such a softy. Yeah, don't be such a weakling. Yeah. So don't be so sissy. Yeah, here sissy is acting as an adjective. Yeah, a sissy man. He's very wimpish. He's soft. He's just wet. Okay, so, well, being a sissy. Yeah, this is something that I guess is ingrained in us by society. Let's see, formality. I would say this is colloquial. This is informal. I think a sissy. 3.5 informality. Use it in an informal conversation. I wouldn't use it formally or semi-formally. And then as to origin, I guess it comes from a clipping of sister. So don't be such a sister. Yeah, I think that's the idea. Yeah, don't be so sister-like. I think that's the origin. So a sissy, somebody who's feeble, cowardly. Yeah, they don't make me do that, please. Okay, so a sissy, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, don't be a sissy. Subscribe to my channel, please don't be a sissy. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now, Sissy.